To obtain an Outlook QR code, start by opening Outlook and logging in or creating an account at outlook.live.com. Once logged in, click on the COG settings icon located at the top right, next to your profile. From the drop-down menu, select the Account option, which is the top choice. Then, click on Mobile Devices. Next, click on Get the Outlook app, which will prompt a pop-up window containing the QR code. The instructions will indicate that you should scan the QR code with your phone's camera to link your Microsoft account. And if you don't have the app, you will be prompted to install it. Keep the window open after scanning the code. If you don't have Outlook installed on your phone, scan the QR code using your phone's camera or a QR code scanner, which can be downloaded from the App Store if needed. After scanning, install Outlook to automatically sync and connect your Microsoft account and Outlook with your mobile device. This process is quick and easy, and once completed, your accounts will be linked.